Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Gemini, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you add your debit card into Gemini as a payment method? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your debit card into Gemini? Well, that's pretty easy. Gemini is definitely one of the more popular places to buy cryptocurrency, and they do allow you to purchase it with your debit card. And it's all handled here in the app. It's this white and turquoise one right here. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open my Gemini app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Gemini app. This is the home screen here. Now, if you want to add your debit card as a payment method, you want to click on this little button here on the top right. It has a little person icon. All right, once you click there, it's going to show your account page. And in order to add your debit card, you want to look for this line called payment methods. Under it is a line called add payment method. It has a little bank icon next to it. I'm going to click there. Okay, next the screen pops up. And as you can see, you can add a bank or a debit card. So today we are going to add a debit card. I'm going to click on that top line. Next, you want to choose what type of currency you are working with. For me, I work in US dollars, which is what my bank account is in. So I'm going to click there. Next, they do ask you to enter your billing address. So mine is United States. You can also scroll through to these various, well, actually quite a few countries, but I'm going to click on US. All right, next it asks for your billing address. This is the billing address to your bank account or your debit card, because they will verify that with a small transaction. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered in my billing address to my debit card. I'm going to click on this white next button here. Okay, next Gemini is asking me to scan the front of the card, or you can do what I do and just enter the card details manually by clicking on this button. All right, next Gemini is asking for the name that's on the card number, 16 digits, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back of the card. So I'm going to enter all that information in off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. I'm going to click on this white done button here on the top right. All right, next Gemini is saying they need to verify my card. In order to do that, they're going to send 3 charges between $1.01 to $1.99. And you will need to verify those amounts with Gemini in order for the card to be approved, and then it'll be reversed. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next what I need to do is go over to my bank account online statement and then look for these 2 transactions. So let me go ahead and switch on over to my Chase account. Okay, I went ahead and switched over to my online banking, and these transactions are going to be in the pending section for your online, and they were available immediately. I didn't have to wait for this. So what you want to do is go ahead and just write down these 2 numbers, and then you will enter those into your Gemini app. So I've written these down. Let me switch back over to my Gemini app now. Okay, so here I am back on Gemini, so I'm going to click right here, and now I'm going to enter the first one, which was $1.53, and then the second one, which was $1.99. There is no point symbol, you just enter it in exactly 199, and then they will put the decimal in. So once you verify those 2 different transactions, you want to click on this done button. All right, now I get this pop up. The card was verified and entered into my Gemini account. You can verify that by clicking on that same line with the little bank icon. And as you see, my Visa has now been entered and is listed in my Gemini account. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to add your debit card into Gemini as a payment method, that's the easiest way I know how to. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.